is how Val gets her brother across the room. Keep going, you're not hurting him. He's not crying yet. Go. Just don't grab him by his head.
In fact, he encourages it.
Yeah, she's not going to hurt him. He's on the carpet, for pity's sake. Go, go, go. But we must never show this to Devon. Okay, Val, that's good. He's losing his britches, honey. His foot is disappearing as we speak. Oh, now you're making him mad. Okay, let him go, let him go, let him go. Give him kisses.
Maybe he'll come back and haunt you in his sleep.
Say, I love you, baby brother. Yes. Oh, there goes Humpy. I got the blanket.
Hey, man, sleepy?
Oh, Tiffany, that's my friggin'